Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto tuna pasta. Start by prepping ingredients and measuring 300 g pasta, 1 can tuna, 4 tablespoon pesto, and 2 tablespoon olive oil. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook pasta al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes. While pasta cooks, flake tuna, zest 1 lemon, and ready a mixing bowl for tossing the warm pasta. Gently heat 2 tablespoon olive oil and quickly sauté minced garlic until fragrant, then turn off the heat. Add 4 tablespoon pesto and about 1/4 cup reserved pasta water to loosen the sauce, stirring until glossy and smooth. Return drained pasta to the pan or bowl and toss with flaked tuna, adding more reserved water as needed to coat evenly. Finish with lemon zest and a pinch of salt, then serve warm. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for meal prep, keeping pesto tuna pasta fresh and spill-free during commutes or lunches, and they stack neatly in your fridge. I find they save time and cleanup, which pairs nicely with simple dinners. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Plate the pesto tuna pasta and add finishing touches like chopped basil and grated parmesan to brighten the dish. A quick squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil bring freshness and balance the richness. If you have leftovers, place them in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days, then reheat gently with a splash of water to revive the sauce and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.